Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Life Mazing, the channel that takes you on unforgettable journeys to the most amazing destinations on Earth. And today we're setting our sights on Europe. Get ready to say bonjour to cobblestone streets, ciao to delicious cuisine, and wow to some of the most breathtaking sights you'll ever lay eyes on. From the romantic canals of Venice to the sun-drenched beaches of Greece, we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of 5 exquisite European destinations that will leave you speechless. So, fasten your seatbelts, grab your travel journal, and get ready to be inspired. Enjoy, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Our first stop takes us to the heart of France, to a city that needs no introduction, Paris. Picture this: you're strolling along the Seine River, the smell of freshly baked croissants wafting through the air, the Eiffel Tower shimmering in the distance. Paris is a feast for the senses, a city that effortlessly blends history, art, and romance. But Paris isn't just about iconic landmarks. Venture into the bohemian neighborhood of Montmartre, a haven for artists with its charming cafes and street performers. And, of course, no trip to Paris is complete without indulging in the city's culinary delights. From escargots to crème brûlée, your taste buds will be thanking you. Next, we're whisking you away to the Greek islands, where azure waters meet whitewashed villages perched atop volcanic cliffs. Santorini is a sight to behold, a place where you can soak up the sun, swim in crystal clear waters, and witness some of the most magical sunsets on the planet. But Santorini is more than just a pretty face. Explore the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, a Minoan city frozen in time by a volcanic eruption centuries ago. And don't miss the chance to indulge in the island's vibrant nightlife, with lively beach bars and traditional Greek music filling the air. Chapter 3: Venice, a city floating in time. Now let's glide our way to Italy, where we'll explore a city unlike any other Venice. Imagine yourself gliding through canals in a gondola, the gentle rocking motion lulling you into a state of pure tranquility. Venice is a city built on water, a labyrinth of canals, bridges, and charming squares just waiting to be discovered. But Venice is more than just a romantic getaway. Immerse yourself in the city's rich history and culture by visiting St. Mark's Square, Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. And be sure to indulge in the local cuisine, from savory risotto to decadent tiramisu. From paella to tapas. Chapter 5: Dubrovnik, the Pearl of the Adriatic. Our final destination takes us to the Dalmatian coast of Croatia, to a city that has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries, Dubrovnik. Surrounded by ancient city walls, Dubrovnik is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you back in time Stroll along the city walls, explore the historic Old Town, and enjoy breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. But Dubrovnik is not just a history lesson. The city is alive with uh, vibrant energy, with lively cafes, bars, and restaurants lining its streets. Be sure to sample the local seafood, freshly caught and prepared to perfection. And don't miss the chance to try pasticada, a traditional Croatian dish. Outro until our next adventure. Well, there you have it, folks. Five exquisite European destinations that are sure to ignite your wanderlust. From the romantic streets of Paris to the sun drenched beaches of Santorini, Europe has something to offer every type of traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Europe for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Life Amazing for more incredible travel content. Until next time, happy travels.